Good evening! Tonight I'll share with you my full nighttime skincare routine, step by step, and why I use each product. If you're looking to nourish and restore your skin while you sleep, stay with me till the end. Step 1. Makeup removal or cleansing oil. Even if I don't wear makeup, I always start by removing dirt and pollution. I use micellar water or a gentle cleansing oil. Swipe gently with cotton. No rubbing. Step 2. Cleanser. Then I follow with a sulfate-free cleanser. I massage in circular motions and rinse with lukewarm water. Step 3. Toner. This preps my skin for the next steps. I use rose water or a calming toner with chamomile or niacinamide. I pat it gently into my skin. Step 4. Serum, my favorite step. At night I use a serum with niacinamide or hyaluronic acid. If your skin can handle it, you can try retinol, but start slow. 3 drops are enough. Step 5. Moisturizer. Night is when your skin heals. I use a richer cream and apply it to my face and neck. Step 6. Eye cream. Optional. If I notice puffiness or fine lines, I apply a tiny amount and tap it around my eyes. Step 7. Face oil or sleeping mask. If my skin feels dry or tired, I seal everything in with a nourishing oil or a sleep mask. Extra tips. Change your pillowcase every 3 days. Don't sleep on your face. Drink water before bed. Breathe deep. Beauty sleep is real. Let me know your favorite step. Do you have a nighttime routine too? Follow me for more skin rituals.